In this edition of In the Kitchen with Jen Onslow, we're making
non-bread pizzas.
This is a super easy recipe. I think it's probably going to be one of the easiest recipes we've made. Perfect for a weeknight, Friday night pizza party. So let's dive in and start making these pizzas.
We preheated the grill to 400.
And the nice thing about this recipe is you don't have to heat up your kitchen. It's all outside from this point. Two thumbs up?
Two thumbs up.
For more recipes like this one, visit carolinacountry.com and you can find this recipe in the April edition of the Spotlight, which is on JOEMC.com. Have a great day!